In this video, I show you how to feel hard finger launcher uninstall or how to feel hard finger launcher delete. For doing this, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search feel hard finger launcher, tap on it. You can see that there is no uninstall option. Now tap on home app. Now tap on pixel launcher. For my case, you can see also system launcher or another launcher, then tap on it. Now again go to settings, then go to apps, then find feel hard finger launcher, tap on it. Now tap on uninstall. Okay, now I hope that you remove feel hard finger launcher or delete feel hard finger launcher. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.